ended at 5 p.m. Now it's 5 a.m.
Last na, nag-Uber na lang kami. Grabe. Sobrang series of unfortunate events.
Last day na niya ngayon, guys. Uwi na siya, balik na siya ng States.
Ay, iyak na ako.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. So, it's June 3 today. Aga akong nagising. Joke lang. 10 o'clock na. Nakakahiya kasi nandito na si Gail. Ginising lang ako ni Jess kasi nandito na siya. Hi!
Good morning!
O, si Gail yung mag-aayos ng kuko ko. Ngayon ko palang matatry, guys. So, very excited na ako. Subukan natin kung ano magiging tsura niya. Ayan na, guys, yung nagawa sa nails ko. Ang cute. Anong tawag dyan, sis? Doon sa ano? Mirror.
Mirror nails.
Mirror nails. Ang ganda ng color niya. Parang siyang bronze, na orange, na... Ewan ko ba ang tawag dyan? Ganda. Tapos later, lalagyan ng ano? Ng stamp. Ayan. Ang galing niya, no? Para lang siyang glitter sa una.
Maliliit na glitters.
Oo. Tapos, para siya nagme-melt sa kuko right after mo ilalagay. Ayan, no? Para lang niyang pinupunas-punas. Ay, Diyos ko, guys. After 5 hours. Kasi ang dami pa naming daldal, ang dami pa naming cheche-bureche, natapos na. Ayan siya. Ang ganda. Oh, diba? Social na ulit yung nails ko. Pwede nyo i-add si Gail sa Nails to Go on Instagram. Maraming salamat, sis.
You're welcome!
So, kakain muna kami. And marami-rami tayong lakad today. Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung mga nangyayari kanina dahil di ako pag-vlog. Pero, pupunta tayo sa West Ave para mag-check-in dun sa hotel. Tapos, susundo sa airport. After that, pupunta sa Valkyrie para gumimik. Ako yung magiging chaperon nila Kingay, tsaka nila Kevin, nag-aaya sa Valkyrie. Okay guys, magpe-prepare muna ako and i-update ko kayo later. Okay, so after ko mag-ayos ng gamit namin at magbihis, dahil nakatapos na ako maligo, hindi na daw matutuloy. Kaloka, nagbago na naman yung isip ni ate. Kasi marami pa siyang kailangang ayusin bago pumunta kung saan-saan. So, she decided na magstay na lang dito sa bahay. And hindi na kami mag-check-in doon sa may West Ave. Sa may Marriott na lang later. Pero mamayang gabi pa yung pwedeng sumunod na lang kami doon. Kasi nauna na si Jet doon. Siya na yung nag-check-in doon.
Hi guys, so today,
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So today, pupunta tayo ngayon, mag-check-in tayo ngayon sa Marriott. Grabe, ang dami talagang gagawin. Sila na Ninya nandun sa bahay, mag-check-in naman sila doon sa West Ave. Tapos kami naman, yung second batch doon sa, may first batch, second batch. Yung second batch doon sa Marriott, sa resorts. Kaya medyo nag-aalangan ako doon kasi nga diba, lately as you have yun nga, napanood ninyo sa TV, may mga nangyari doon sa Resorts World. So, medyo hesitant nga kaming pero kasi kailangan dahil ang daming gagawin. So, ang gagawin lang natin ngayon, pipick upin lang natin yung cargo. Tapos, pupunta tayo ng Greenbelt kasi may kailangan i-drop off doon. We are here at Banacol. At itingin ka naman dito, alam mo, tinatanong ka sa akin, bakit masyado ka daw seryoso sa buhay? And this is Laura. I'm gonna show you who's Laura. She's working for my sister. And nandito si Undo. When was the last time you were here in the Philippines?
More than 15 years ago.
15 years ago. More than 15 years ago. So this is literally everything is new. So punta na tayo sa Marriott. At sobrang init guys. Alam niyo yung damit ko. Nakita niyo yung damit. Para ako nag-sauna. So, let's go! Let's go! Yes,
Hi guys! Gulat kayo no, iba?
Grabe. And we're talking about dun sa... Kasi first time ni Laura dito sa Philippines. So,
Hi Laura!
Grabe. Natugugulat siya dito sa driving system dito sa Philippines. Tapos yung mga dumadaan ng mga sasakyan na walang pasubaya.
I'm afraid for the people's lives.
Oh, what's the question again, Laura?
How do they know that people are not just gonna go into their car and not pay? Oh, they don't know that.
They don't know that.
No, that's just...
So, ito na nga ang naging plano, guys. So, another unfortunate event. Nandito na kami sa SM Fairview. Magpapa-blower lang si ate ng hair. Tapos ako ipapaplansya ko lang yung hair ko. Kasi wala nang time, oh. Sobrang buhag-hag na. Tapos naka-fly away pa. Tapos, nagbihis na ako. Ayan na, yung suot ko. After nito, didiretso na kami sa Marriott Hotel. Dapat, dadalhin ko yung car. Ida-drive ko kami ni ate papunta doon sa Marriott Hotel. Kaya lang, dala ni Jet yung susi. So, yung duplicate, ayaw din naman gumana kasi low pa. Kaya malas lang, nag-Uber na lang kami. Grabe. Sobrang series of unfortunate events. Jairo, hi! Nanonood siya ng mga vlog. Pero pinapanood mo si Will, no? Manood ka din sa amin. Pwede niyo siyang hanapin dito sa Bench Fix sa SM Fairview. Sa kanya na lang kayo pagawa. O kaya kay Kim. Kim!
Nandito ako ngayon, nahihatid ko na yung dalawa doon. Nagkikwento kami naman nakakatakot kanina habang nagmamaneho para lang malibang kasi sobrang traffic, guys. Alas 4 na ang usapan, talaga 2 o'clock ang check-in. So sobrang traffic, 4 o'clock na. So maa-update ko na lang kayo, guys, dun sa Spicy. Ay, sa Marriott ko na lang kayo may update. So abangan nyo na lang, ha?
Thank you very much, sir. Sorry for the delay, sir.
Yes, sir, fine.
Okay, so your room is 615.
615, yes. So finally, we are here at the hotel na and grabe, sobrang traffic talaga, sakit sa ulo. Pero we're supposed to be here at around 2 but it's already 5 na. Sobrang delayed yung yung plano namin. But we are here inside Marriott and sila Nina nandun sa bahay. I don't know what they're doing right now. So I'm just going to have a quick rest lang kasi I need to rest, I need to sleep. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the area of what's inside this hotel here at Marriott. So we got a twin size beds. Ayan, dalawa sila. Then we also have this window right here. I don't know if you can see, pero ito siya. So there. So you can see Resorts World and everything here. Ayan siya. We got a table here. And study desk. Then the television. And then, I don't know, pero meron tayo parang see-through na bathtub. Pwede mong ma-roll down yung parang bintana niya for privacy. And then, we have this, I don't know if this just mirrors, pero ito ata yung closet. Oh yeah, here's the closet. So, yan, quick lang. Ito yun siya. So, that's the bathrobe, the slippers and all. And I think, yeah, so this is the toilet area. So yun yung toilet area niya. So guys, and this is the bathtub area. Yan, shower area. Wala naman masyadong bago dito sa hotel na to, but yeah. So this is the Marriott Hotel. And I have my work later, so sila Nina magwa-Valkyrie later kasama yung pamangking ko and the rest of the family while we are going to stay here first and then may work nga ako mamaya.
Ang ganda ng pagka-plancha niya sa buhok ko, guys. So, nakapaloob. Pero may volume. Kaya, dito na kayo pumunta. Sa buhok ni ate, oh. Diba? Ang ganda, oh.
So, I've already fixed myself na dahil may work pa ako mamaya and they're already here. Paakit na sila. So, mamaya i-vlog ko kayo. Nakapag-ayos na ako ng gamit and all. So, yung gamit ko, ito, nandito na lahat sa bag. Nag-haggard ako kasi ang daming nangyayari, ang daming nagaganap. Anyway, so I'll update you in a while.
Is that a new one?
Yeah, we got 2. Actually, we got 3 cameras now.
What? You got 3?
Yes. Bamba.
You can't even see me.
Because you're slow.
It's dark.
No. So I guess we are here at Cherry's Grill. We got her back.
I'm back again.
Yes, it's Bamba. All the way from LA. Virginia. So, hindi ko na maantay si Nina, hindi ko na maantay si ate kasi gutom na kami and I have work later on, so I really need to eat na. And yun. Tapos sila Kevin, they're going here. So, how was your flight, Bamba?
It was long and boring.
Oh, boring.
I want to eat banapple again. I just want to have some banapple.
You just came all the way from LA just to get
I came all the way just to have some banapple and gongcha.
Oh my god.
Boba. Hi guys. Wow, I'm really red. Vlog takeover. Okay, ready? Hi guys. Oh god. Okay, here.
They're getting dizzy.
There's like 4 people inside the room.
You have to be like very stabilized. You really have to be stable.
Why is yours so short? Why are you even complaining?
It's not even your camera. Come on.
No, it's because
You're just taking over the camera.
Is there no extension?
Come on, introduce everyone.
Okay, well I'm Victoria. This is Tito Janelle. This is Ate Nina. That's Gundo. There's Auntie Jean. There's
So
Uncle
you can
Tom.
actually flip this one so you're not.
Sorry, I'm not a professional. There's Uncle Tom. There's, what's his name? Kuya Kevin. There's Kuya Braga. If you zoom in closely, you can see that he's sweating. There's Ate Laura. And, what? There's a shadow on you. Are making fun of.
Tell them about your lashes and your.
Well, look, they have fallen off. So, there's not much. I feel so bad for you. Please do not put this on your YouTube.
I will.
No.
It's gonna be my thumbnail.
No. Your face also.
Your face is all over the internet right now. Yes, guys, let's eat all together. Kain na tayo, guys. What's wrong with you, Bamba? So let's have sinigang, chop suey, chicken, tuna belly, and kinilaw. Baby, hello.
So we're here now in the room. Hi. Toilet. Grabe. Manonose-blade na naman ako sa mga kasama ko. So ako yung chaperone nila ngayon. Dadalhin natin sila sa Valkyrie. Let's invade Victoria's makeup bag.
What's in Victoria's makeup bag? Oh my god! Look,
Morphe!
heart.
Wow.
Oh, highlighter on plate. She has like 5 palettes of.
How many highlighters do you have to bring?
You only have 2 cheeks. It's another one.
Morphe.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow.
Her face is gonna be so shimmery. What else is in here?
Highlighter.
Jeffree Star. My bronzer's all messed up. I taped it. You can't open it. I need to open it. It broke.
What happened?
I was scared that I was gonna like spill everywhere. Sorry, suspense. Ready? The sadness that you're gonna see. See, look, it's spilling. It's nasty. Ready? Oh gosh. Sad.
ni Bamba. Yung Morphe. Morphe 35. Morphe 35F ba yun?
Yeah, it's the F. It's F.
Yeah. Ang ganda nitong shade na to. And then, for my lips, speed dial in color pop.
So, today, bumalik ako dito sa hotel dahil tapos na yung gig ko. And kailangan ko namang pumunta dito dahil kailangan ko pumunta ulit ng The Fort dahil nandun sila ngayon nagpa-party sa Revel. Pero bawal ata ang camera doon. So, iiwan ko na tong camera, guys. And I think, we'll just update you doon sa vlog ni Ninya dahil hindi ko na madadala to dahil konti lang ang dadalhin ko talaga. Phone lang, wallet, and then jacket. Yun. We'll just gonna try to enjoy kasi hindi ko na talaga na-enjoy mag-party kasi siguro nga dahil as nag-age, hindi, so, kasi syempre parang nagpa-party na rin yung ginagawa ko sa work. So parang hindi na ganun, wala nang dating sa akin yung mga clubbing. Pero we'll see if ma-enjoy pa natin siya. So I'll just update you when we get there.
Hey guys! May araw na! I'm so sorry! Pinaiwan yung camera dun sa may reception. Kaya hindi ko na kayo naisama sa loob. Diyos ko! Pinainom nila ako ng Johnny Walker. Kaloka. So, may araw na. Kasi mag-6 o'clock na. Nandito pa din kami. Sumunod si Jet dito right after nung gig niya. Tapos, kumain lang kami dyan sa may tabi. Yung Dennis. And then, ngayon, gusto na naming umuwi kasi tomorrow may lakad na naman. Sobrang nakakapagod na. Nag-enjoy ako kanina. Sayang nga, hindi ko kayo naisama. Nandun pa naman si Vice Ganda.
I'm shook. I landed at 5 p.m. Now it's 5 a.m. This is so crazy. The sun is literally rising right now.
Andiyan na.
What the heck?
Back at the hotel, Marriott. So, dinrap lang namin sila kanya dito. Antok na talaga ako, guys. So, this will be the last stop and uuwi na lang kami ni Jet. Mag-Uber. Antok na talaga ako. Mascara all over my face.
Guys, anong oras na? Oo, mag-aalas 7 na, guys. 6:45. Kailangan ko nang matulog. Papamasahe pa ako kay mama. Mama, ay ka.
Ay, naku, ano ba yan? Ha?
Last day.
Tingnan mo nga yung buhok ko, wala.
Last day na niya ngayon, guys. Uwi na siya, balik na siya ng States.
Ay, iyak na ako.
Balik na siya States ulit. Tagal na naman siya di babalik. Tapos, mamaya kakain lang kami. So, kailangan ko na matulog kasi dire-diretso na. Baka hindi ko na rin maihatid si mama mamaya kasi anong oras na rin. Pati, kailangan ko ng tulog talaga. So, yun. Good night, everybody. So, later on, upload ko na lang itong vlog na to. So, I hope to see you again on our next vlog. Have a great morning, guys.
Good morning, guys! Welcome back sa vlog namin na medyo tanghali na. Dahil today, alam nyo naman, puyat kami kagabi, diba? Anong oras na kami nakauwi? 6 a.m. na. So, ano na kami nagising? 11. And today na yung alis ni Mama Lisa. So, Ate Remy, hello! Si Ante. Si Mama, alis na siya.
Ay, teka, yung buhok ko nilipad.
Last day na ni Mama dito. So, magla-lunch lang kami. Tapos, diretso na yata sa airport. Lola!
Akit mo na nga yan.
Oh. Aalis na si Lola. Sama ka sa States?
Tama, ate. E paano si Mami, si Daddy, si Ate?
Sama ka sa States? Iwan mo si Mama dito? Love mo na si Lola, dali. Love mo na.
Huwag mo picture naman.